Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you hidden codes available on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to enter those hidden codes, we need to use the phone app and we need to open the keypad, and most of the time these codes start with the asterisk and a hashtag, and after that you usually have to enter some kind of code. So for example, the first code that I want to show you is the asterisk hashtag 06, and then you end it with the hashtag again. And by doing so, you will open the device information like the email numbers or the serial number. Another code is the asterisk hash 225, and then you end it with hash asterisk. And by entering this code, we get access to the information about the calendar events, and related details. The next code is pretty similar, however, instead of 225, we can enter 426 and then end it the same way. And by doing so, we will open the FCM diagnostics menu. Then we have another pretty similar code, however, this time we need to enter 4636 and then end it the same way. And we will open the hardware test code menu. That will show you information about your phone and Wi-Fi connection. You can check the email number, connection type, the strength of the signal, and so on and so forth in this menu. Then we have another hardware test menu, but this time, wrong code, like so. But this time we're gonna use 6, 4, 8, and 4. There we go. And this is the CIT menu, the hardware test menu, where we can check the general status of our device. Where we have a bunch of different tests and information, like we can test the vibrations, we can test the keyboard, the backlight, flash, touch sensor, display, speakers, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the list is quite huge, so you can test multiple different features over here if they actually work properly, if they register properly. Then we have another code that ends with that is 6485, and this one allows you to open the menu for charging and battery info. Bunch of numbers and bunch of text. However, I'm pretty sure if someone can figure out what those codes are, then it probably contains some useful information about our battery. And these are pretty much all codes that I managed to find and that were working for me. There are additional ones that didn't work at all for some reason. And there's one more that I didn't mention yet, and that is this one over here with 4 6s. And this time it won't work. However, if you are in the enterprise mode, or if you have the demo version of your device for some reason, and you cannot, for instance, I don't know, like get rid of the visual of the phone when you lock the screen. So for instance, when you lock the screen and you have this visual representation of the device and so on and so forth, pretty much the ad of the device, and then you can access this menu in order to turn off this demo version. Or in general, if you have the enterprise mode, then probably you can enter this code that I've shown you in order to turn off the enterprise mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.